Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your Week 5 Screencast video. So this week we begin our work in Chapter 1, and Chapter 1 is all about determining a research topic that will sustain you throughout the semester. Com 102 is in-depth research and writing about a topic. So, Chapter 1, we want to focus on some of the pages and sections here. 19 to 29 on the pages for Chapter 1, and then I've got a list of sections here that you should really read closely. All right, middle of the week, as usual, I provide a lecture video, and we'll talk about how to go about selecting that research topic. So, discussion board number 7 is all about exercise 1.1. Pretty straightforward on the information for this and the instructions. Complete steps 1 and 2 in a document. Then complete step 3 as your initial discussion board post here in Canvas. For your initial post, generate at least 8 to 10 questions there in step 3. Okay, by the due date listed. Also, you at the end of your post, you can include a document link for steps 1 and 2 so I can check some of your work and your thinking there. If you have a Word document, you can upload an attachment to the discussion board post that I will double check. Of course, let the board develop, and then you will turn around and respond to 2 of your classmates. Then later in the week, I believe by Friday, we're going to talk about exercise 1.4. Now, this exercise here will get you trying to narrow and focus your particular research topic. All right. It's a brainstorming activity that prepares you for exercise 1.5, which is the formal topic proposal, which will be due next week. All right. This one is a little bit more involved. I want about 250 to 300 words. I want to be able to understand your thinking behind your research project, or I should say your topic. So in looking at the schedule here, week 5, we do have the initial post due for discussion board 7 on Tuesday and on 8 on Friday. Responses, of course, on Sunday the 10th. Let me double check myself here. I want to make sure everybody is aware of where we're headed and what we're doing. So in Chapter 1, like I said, we are focusing on a research topic. All right. If you have any questions or issues regarding Chapter 1, all of the inquiry from this point on is just going to focus on a specific topic for your for most of the rest of your assignments. All right. So if you have any questions or if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.